Hello everyone, this is the Dark Soul 5492 here, and look at what's on my work area. As you can see, to those who are having a hard time on purchasing an air compressor, looking for some alternatives, well, I give you a nebulizer. What's a nebulizer? A nebulizer is a machine. It's like a compressor, but it's used in medication for people who has asthma. Well, to me, I have a history of having a asthma back when I was a little kid. I'll just remove this. And it magically disappeared when I reached high school. And totally was gone when I reached college and started going to the gym. Well, you can see here it's branded Green Trust. It's a good machine. I bought it for 900 pesos. And nebulizers are really great alternatives for air compressor for airbrushing. Let's test this. You see there? It's really a strong compressor. And I made some research, and this one has a 30 psi. It's a 30 psi compressor, so it's a really strong one, and you better take good care of it. Also, if you are going to use this on airbrushing, you must set a time limit of around 20 to 30 minutes of usage, and another break. I think let's put it also 30 minutes so that the machine could cool down for a bit. Overusage of this machine, I think, could cause a damage inside. Well, another test with the hose on it. And still, it's really strong. You see there a piece of paper? You'll see what's the purpose of that in any moment now. And here's my airbrush. So I had this for almost, I purchased this last month, and I'm really excited on using this to try on how to use a airbrush. I'm not experienced in using this one yet, and as you can see, this hose fits perfectly. If you test it, it's giving a really huge hissing sound. And since what I am doing is just a preview of an alternative air compressor, I'm just going to use water. And that is the purpose of the paper there. I'm going to show you how strong the 30 psi air compressor is. Alright, let's test it. As you can see, it's slowly turning the paper wet. There we go. And that's it. I guess that's okay. Alright. There you go. It's great. What can I say? Well, I hope this video can help you guys on looking for some alternatives, and I really suggest that this is a really great alternative if you don't have any compressors yet, or yet doesn't have enough money to purchase a really expensive air compressor. So for now, I'll be sticking on using this one. Well, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.